everybody. I'm Jenny, and I'm with my girl Alexis, and we're going to discuss her experience with TSG. So, Alexis, how long have you been with us?
I've actually been with TSG for about 6-7 years now. I started in one of their offices down in Florida City in Florida, and I was taught very well by Jenny throughout the years. She's been a great mentor for me, always had my back when I have any questions with any clients, and I've kind of strayed away and come back to the business, and I'm super excited to be here today and finally grow it and make it something bigger than just a side hustle.
Awesome. And I know you were a preparer before starting TSG, so tell me a bit about how TSG changed, or how was that transition for you?
To be honest with you, we live in a world where everything is changing all the time. So it's really, really helpful and supportive to have a group like TSG behind you that's always offering classes, always there to help, answering phone calls, text messages, whatever it is. I think I've been able to message Jenny at like 2 o'clock in the morning, like, hey, I'm stuck on this right now. Can you help me? And as soon as she can, she always gets back. So super supportive team.
Thank you, Alexis. I appreciate it.